point, the Solicitor General should give the chance to Congress because Congress has the exclusive authority to grant franchises or extend them. And there should be no other body that should try to get this power away from Congress.
So, Sir, no warrant is not applicable to this?
It's not applicable, and secondly, it is not good. It will show that this government is harassing the press. So we cannot countenance that.
Reaction lang as a lawyer dun sa sinasabi ng Soldier na magka-file sila ng warrant.
There is no basis for the co-warrant. A co-warrant provision under the rules of court is only, you can only file that if there's a group of persons claiming to have a franchise when they do not have. These are precisely the kinds of companies or a person who should be charged and who should be removed from this office or this franchise. In the case of ABS-CBN, clearly they have a franchise validly issued, and that is why it's going to expire in March 30. So there's no such way.